Welcome to Just a Business Minute with Dr. Hutch. Hey, I'm Dr. J.L. Hutchison. Today, I want to examine with this Business Minute, who are you following? Oh, that's so important. So important. What are you reading? What are you listening to? Who's putting things into your ear? And actually, it's a new thing because of the social media. I was talking to my fiance not too long ago, and she was saying to me, she said, well, this person's trying to follow me, and she evaluates who's following her and who she's following because she has a standard of people she want to be connected to. You have to do the same thing in business. Who's the leaders in your industry? How are they balancing their lives? How is their business growing? Do they have a reputation that is above reproach? You have to realize that the things you do and the relationships you have and the people that you follow, the articles, the things you see will affect and influence your business. You have to protect that baby. Like I said, that is your baby, your business. You growing it because it's going to fulfill your future and the dreams that you always dreamed about. You want to be successful, you have to protect your business and the influence it has. So watch out. Who are you following? You have just been a Business Minute with Dr. Hutch.